Put your hands together.
Yeah, yeah.
Show your love.
Check it out.
For the one and only.
Give me some of that good old love.
Yeah. Magnetic magnetism, the immobilized. Quick spitter, one hitter, quitter with a wicked verbal swing to the head. Call me the decapitator and the obliterator. You thought he would've made it, but my rhyme skills decimated. His mind racing like a fast ride, smacking a pedestrian on the crash side, watching the bodies fly 20 feet in the air. I'm knocking some of y'all out of your chair. Don't look for anyone or anybody to spare. I'm gonna rip this verse to leave you cursed, making your eardrums burst the color blue when you bruise. No Papa Smurf, let me learn you, burn and turn you into dust, freshen in cold rust. Now you looking crusty without the crab, trying to air it out like a fresh scab. Alcohol spitting it on a tab. Visualize the canvas that I craft when I smack skulls with my wrath of the math drums I bash. The cymbals are crash, thinking it's to you like blue, like a fake eyelash.
Light another L, I'm in disguise. How it feel to be a martyr in disguise. Close your eyes, you're closer to the divine. Then you think reality's in your mind. Build the vibes, I send chills down your spine. I got your back with real rhymes. Fuck the limelight, I shine bright like solar flares. Don't stare, think of your eyesight. Them niggas all hype, your verse is alright. If versus me, you getting sniped, I ain't shooting twice. Pick up the pen and the slaughter begins. Swear the way I dead beats, all these bars are my kids. Call me father, I'm taking this father. We moving smarter, the harder it is, the more opportunities to win. Get the ends, staring down the barrel of my pen. This fire reflect my burning desire to get it in.